Yo guys, what's up? I'm Map. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to run a Minecraft server or any other server that you might be trying to host without having to port forward or using any other host such as Apex or HostTord or any of that fun stuff. This video is pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. If you have any questions, definitely comment down below. I'll reply to all comments when I get a chance. I'll be as quick as I can. Ask any questions. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure you keep the comments appropriate, family friendly, and all that fun stuff. If there's anything that's rude, discriminative, or any of that stuff, I will be deleting them. Family friendly. Try to help each other out. So if you don't understand something, definitely ask in the comments. I'll also be listing all the links that you need in the description of this video. But without further ado, be sure to hit that subscribe button, guys, if this video helped you out, and that thumbs up as well, and that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. But moving on, Log Me In Hamachi is pretty easy, pretty simple to use. Like I said, you can only have up to 5 players on the free edition, and you can add more players with the premium edition. It's great for using if you're just trying to play some Minecraft with your friends or your family or any other server you're trying to run. So in order to get Log Me In Hamachi, you're going to want to go ahead and go to vpn.net, and your screen should look like this. Make sure it looks like this too, because if it doesn't, you might be downloading the wrong thing and it might be a virus. So make sure your screen looks like this. So it says Hamachi by Log Me, sorry. And what you're going to want to do is go ahead and click this green download now. And as you already saw, I've already got it installed. So once you click that download now, it's going to go to your downloads folder. You can go ahead and install it. It's going to probably ask you to install some extra programs. Do not install those. You do not need them. It won't affect how Hamachi runs or anything like that. Just install Hamachi itself. And once you get Hamachi running, you should have something that looks like this. Log Me In Hamachi. So once you get that, you're going to go ahead and open that, and you'll get this screen right here. It's going to be offline. Right next to the power button, you're going to see your server IP that you're going to be using for your server. With Log Me In Hamachi, no one can join this IP unless they're part of your network that you've created. And I'm going to teach you guys how to do that. But right now, as you can see, it's offline. What you're going to want to do is just click that power button like you're turning on a TV or turning on a computer. When you do that for the first time, it will ask you to make a Hamachi account. It's simple. Just go ahead and create a login, create a password, and you're set. Like I said, there is a premium edition of it where you can upgrade to add more players. And that's optional. You don't have to do that. But this is the free edition that I'm using myself. So what you're going to want to do, once you get all that set up, you can pause this video. Like I said, I'm going to try to explain this the best that I can. What you're going to want to do is click on Create a New Network. And once you do, this screen right here will pop up. And it's going to ask you for a network ID and create a password. You do have to put in a password. For example, my network ID is going to be moltencraft_gaming1234. Alright, so now that we got that, you're going to put a password in. It doesn't matter. 123, 123. And then create. And in order for people to join, they're going to need to get Log Me In Hamachi as well. And once they do that, my bad, I didn't mean to click that. Once they do that, you're going to have them log into your network. And give them your username, which is moltencraft_gaming1234. And then when they ask you what your password is, it was the password that you've created. And then it'll pop up 2 out of 5, and then you can get another person 3 out of 5, and yada yada, and all that fun stuff. So once you got that running, and you've already got your Minecraft server created, which will be by default your local host IP address. Obviously, no one can join that. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and stop your server, and yes, so just turn off your server. Very simple. Go to your server files, and you want to go ahead and go to your server properties. And once you open that up, you're going to go ahead and go down to where it says server IP. I'm trying to explain this the best I can. So if I'm going too fast, like I said, any questions, comments, concerns, comment below. I will explain it in the comments. I'll reply to everybody when I get a chance, but it will be as soon as possible that I will reply. So I know my IP is 25.0.29. Let me go back to it, see what the rest of the IP was. 0.147. As I said, your IP address that you're wanting to use is right here next to the power button. 25.0.29.147. So once you get that in, you're pretty much all set. You can also put a server port, which is by default 25565. You want to go ahead and save that and close that. And you're going to want to go ahead and open up your server back up, let it load. And while you're waiting for that, you can go ahead and change your localhost from 25.0.29.147. Now this won't be your IP address, this is just my IP address that Hamachi is offering me. And you want to go ahead and add your server port 25565 and click done. And once you get that, and once your server's up and running, you're going to go ahead and refresh. And this should pop up your server. Just like so. I thought it was about to fail, which had me concerned for a second. So now you can go ahead and open. If anybody's part of your Hamachi network, they can join the server too. So like if you were to put this IP address in now, it won't let you because you're not on my server, on my network. And in order for people to join, once they gotta log me in Hamachi, they're gonna go ahead and create their account. They don't gotta create a network, but if they want to, they can, and you can join their network. They're gonna click on network that's close to system, that's right next to the system tab, and they are gonna click on join an existing network, and that's where they're gonna put in your network ID, which is once again moltencraft_gaming 1234. Your password, which was 123. Now you guys won't be able to join this when you see this video because I don't use LogMe in Hamachi, but I know this program helped me out a lot when I was trying to run a server and I want to have fun with it. I have my own server that I run, so this will not work for you. I can promise you that. So it's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. There's not much to it. And as you guys can see, you got your server up and running. Just as simple as that. And like I said, any questions, comments, concerns, definitely comment them down below. I keep saying that because, you know, a lot of people will be right off the back, I'm confused, you didn't explain it right, blah, blah, blah. So I want to be able to help you guys out the best that I can. I hope this video was useful. I hope it somewhat helped. There's not much more I can think of. So, like I said, guys, if this video did help you, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Click the bell icon next to it to get notified whenever I upload another video. I'm going to start doing video tutorials because that's really all I got time for now, living on the road in a truck. You know, I enjoy it. I miss being able to stream. There will be times that I do stream. Also hit the thumbs up if this video did help you. And there's not too much more to explain. Any questions, you know what to do. I'll see you guys later.